going to show you how to cook fiddleheads. What I did was I filled the sink up with water, and when you pick the fiddleheads, make sure you pick them nice and clean. It doesn't have all that little bit of papery outer parts to it. Anyway, what I do is they float in the water, and what I do is I swish them around in the water, then I put them in the salad spinner after I drain the water. And do your thing with the salad spinner. Then I already cut up some garlic. I grow the garlic at home here. I'll show you that. This is what I grow in my garden. Organic. And then I put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. In my cast iron frying pan. I'm warming it up right now. In goes the garlic. Pretty potent garlic that I have here, so I don't put in that much. Okay, put half an onion in there. I'll let that cook for a little bit. Now I put the fiddleheads in. Stir them around a little bit. A little bit of Himalayan sea salt. And quite a bit of pepper. I like lots of pepper. Mix it up. I just have it on very low. Number 2. Cast iron frying pans, I just love them. That's all I use. You can see I've got my little one for eggs. I got a bigger one here for other stuff. I think I might have to add a little bit more olive oil. Just to coat it a little bit so it doesn't stick. Now I'm just going to put the lid on. Now I have them simmering or sauteing for, well, it's 12 minutes now, or 12 after, so that's 9 minutes. Now I'm going to put half a cup of water. Half a cup of water in it. And I'm just going to let that all boil out. Basically, it'll steam it now. Put the lid on. And let it steam itself. Alright, it's, I don't know, 15 minutes. And we just about got her, just about simmered right out. I'll just take the lid off. And let the water evaporate, and I think we're good. Alright, I turned up the heat a little bit, just evaporate off the rest of this water. Once it's done, I'm going to put a little bit of, I'll turn it down, and then I'll put a little bit of balsamic vinegar, mix it around, and it should be good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cooking something from God's nature garden. Like and subscribe, please, and we'll catch you again. Thanks for watching. One more thing I forgot to mention was, if you find them too bitter the way they are, you boil them first for about 5 minutes with salt water, and then dump the water out